In this tutorial, I just want to show you how you can copy and paste special in the Excel mobile app. So here we have range values. It's just a simple formula, the cell above plus 5. But let's just say we wanted to copy these and paste these as values, for example. So to do this, first we want to highlight the range. Where when we first tap the top cell, then you're going to see these two little dots come up. We're going to grab one of these dots and then just bring it all the way down for our range. And then the second from the far left, you're going to see two pieces of paper. That's going to be copied right here. So now our range is copied. Then we want to go over to where we want to paste the range. After we do that, we want to highlight where we want to paste the range into. So we can just drag this down for where we want to paste the range into. And then to paste it as special, from the left, you're going to see a drop-down arrow right next to the comment, like so, where you can then paste and select how you want to paste it, right? So you can just do paste as formatting, paste formulas, paste values, paste pictures. Let's just say one is paste values. So now we have the same values on the right as you on the left, but as you can see on the right, we pasted it as values, whereas on the left, we have a formula for those values of plus 5. So I hope you found this quick paste special in the Excel mobile app tutorial to be helpful. If you did, like, subscribe, comment. Thank you for watching. Hope you all have an amazing day.